What if, right now, another universe was moving toward ours? Not millions of years away, but seconds from impact. Would we even see it coming? Or would reality just break? Our universe is everything we know. Space, time, galaxies, and stars. It is constantly expanding, stretching into the unknown. But what if it is not the only one? Scientists believe in the multiverse, a collection of multiple universes. Each one operates with its own unique laws of physics. Imagine two universes drifting through a higher dimension. Then suddenly, they touch. At first, nothing explodes. No fire. No sound, just a subtle distortion begins to form. The fabric of space begins to ripple like ocean waves. As the overlap grows, the laws of physics start to conflict. Gravity could behave differently in this new space. Time might flow at a completely different speed. Atoms themselves could become unstable and volatile. Reality would not just shake. It could start to glitch. In some regions, matter might dissolve instantly. In others, new particles could form that we have never seen. Entire galaxies could stretch, collapse, or disappear forever. The scariest part is that you could not escape it. It would not happen in space. It would happen to space itself. Some scientists believe our universe may have already collided. Perhaps the Big Bang was actually the result of such impact, a cosmic merger creating everything we see today. We exist in the aftermath of a massive interdimensional event. The universe is a fragile bubble in a vast, dark sea. Boundaries are thin and reality is more fluid than we imagine. Could another collision be waiting just beyond our reach? The cosmic web is vast, complex, and full of hidden mysteries. We look at the stars and see order, but chaos looms. Physics is a set of rules that can be rewritten. If the universes touch again, the end will be silent. Space will fold, light will bend, and existence will transform. We are merely witnesses to the dance of infinite realities.
Like the video and subscribe for more amazing science content, because the universe has many secrets, and this is just the beginning.